All right, we're just getting Brian's bike finished up here. Stevie's got the crash bar on. We had to wait on some chrome on that, so probably would have had this thing done a month ago, but anyways. All right, so bike's looking beautiful. We're doing a little quickie video for Brian. It looks gorgeous. We've got 304 miles on it. All right, let's see what we got here. We've got 4 ways are working. There's your idiot lights on the 4 ways. That works there. That works there. Okay, so that works. We've got the spotlights. I got to turn the key on. Brian wants the key on for the spots. Let me do that. Okay, spotlights working. Okay, there we go. That's good. What else we got here, Stevie? We got the turn signals working. Okay, that's left. Here, try the. Okay, that's working.
Horn.
That works.
Brake light.
At the brake light. All that works. All the idiot lights are working. Let me bring this back in. Okay, and we've got lights on. That works. We've got the, yep, speedo light works. It's looking good. We'll give it one last little detail before we ship it out. We'll try to do a little, it's getting hot now. We'll try to do another video. Maybe up in a nicer area, but I wanted to show this thing ready. Stevie's got the side stand on. I want to show you guys that. So we had to wait on some chrome. They do a nice chrome job on these. Triple plate chrome. We got this painted. Stevie's got this all on nice so it all matches. Everything matches. You gonna fire it up, Stevie?
No, I'm gonna put it on the center stand.
Or side stand, you mean?
Side stand.
All right, there you go. There's what it looks like on the side stand. All right, fire it up for him, Stevie. All right, looks good. All right, what do you guys think of the color? Beautiful. All right. Anybody else want a custom color? Give us a call.
Do a purple or yellow one.
No. No.
Maybe pink.
Do pink? No. This one looks good. Other colors,
Yeah,
I know.
it does. It looks efficient.
It looks really good. All right. Thank you, Brian, for letting us do the work for you. And we'll talk to you shortly. All right, man. Bye-bye. Looks good in the sun, Stevie.
Yeah, it does. It's pretty, that's for sure.
It's a pretty bike. All right, we'll give it one that last little. There's some dust and stuff on it, but
Yeah, well, there's like, see all this dirt?
yeah, road grime and stuff. We'll get a nice detail. We'll get Lindsay out here, make her detail it up. Looks good.